my sister who accidentally flushes a baby wipe down the toilet. Let's see what happens. It's going down the pipe. It gets shooken up, so each one of you are going to shake up. What's going to happen between that and that?
It's really important, especially during middle school. It's a super pivotal time in youth development. Physiologically, it's a really important time when students' minds are changing and they're really self-actualizing. And it's an important time to take what they're learning in the classroom and connect it to the real world. So with Spark, they have the opportunity over the course of 5 weeks in our fall semester to visit 5 different companies around San Francisco, again in the public sector and in the private sector.
It's great whenever we can expose them to things that they have personal experience with, and obviously because of all of our students have drinking water and use the bathroom and turn down the lights in San Francisco, this is like probably the most relevant spot that we've brought our kids so far. I've heard a lot of really surprised remarks. Students have never really thought about the back end of all of this, so it's awesome to have the opportunity to expose them to that.
Best time for young kids like from middle schools to come to know what are resources available so they can decide the future, and they can also work towards environmental friendly behavior.
Everyone has a role in advocating for youth and for lifting them up. We are a community here in San Francisco, so everybody really has a responsibility and an opportunity to make a difference in someone's life.